Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prashigo. Today we are going to be making an amazing baby puree using chicken, zucchini, pumpkin and green pea. These baby puree are rich in amazing minerals and vitamins that are so essential for a baby's health and development. This puree also contains iron, and we all know that iron is very necessary to make hemoglobin, which helps to carry oxygen all around the body. So the first thing I'll be doing is to go ahead and take out the skin of the pumpkin and dice it into the perfect shapes I want and transfer everything into my steamer except the chicken. The next thing I'll be doing is to place my steamer into my pot and add few amount of water to it and steam it for about 7 minutes or until it is perfectly cooked. And the next thing I'll be doing is to also transfer my chicken into a separate pot and cook it for about 10 minutes or until it is perfectly cooked. When I'm done cooking everything, I'll just go ahead and transfer them into my blender and blend them thoroughly. Next thing I'll be doing is to go ahead and transfer them into a silicone storage container, and it can stay for about 2 months in the freezer and 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator. And if you find this video interesting, why not give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.